My name is Ella, and today I'm going to be talking about Aquabounty's Frankenfish, which is a genetically engineered salmon that was developed by Aquabounty Technologies. It's the first genetically modified animal approved for consumption. It was first sold in Canadian markets in 2017 and then entered US markets in 2021. However, it started being developed all the way back in 1989. It was engineered using material from 3 different types of fish, the first being Atlantic salmon, then the Chinook salmon, and ocean pout. And as a result of this engineering, the fish can grow and live in cold waters and reach market size in half the time that it would take a conventional salmon. The pros of this are that it requires less food over its lifetime, about 25% less feed than you would use for raising conventional salmon, which reduces the environmental footprint of raising fish for food. And the amount of feed that farmed fish consumed has been one of the biggest criticisms aimed at the agriculture industry. It also prevents the overfishing of wild salmon populations, which are slowly declining, and it is also FDA approved, and they have determined that the new protein in the salmon does not cause any allergies or have any health concerns that people should be concerned about. The cons of this is that there is a possibility of genetic pollution if the genetically engineered fish are to escape and mix their genes with that of the wild salmon populations. It could disrupt the gene flow. Additionally, several organizations have concluded that the FDA's assessment was insufficient. And there are several reasons, one of them being that there is still the risk of escape due to extreme weather conditions, although there are measures in place to prevent it from happening. There is still that risk. Additionally, their study of hormones in the fish were measured in fish that were only 2 ounces, so not the size that they would be when they're being sold. And additionally, the study on the risk of allergenicity was conducted on only 6 fish in each research group. So it's not enough information to come to that conclusion. As for the health benefits, many people eat salmon for its healthy fats and omega-3s. And these fish contain higher amounts of omega-6, disrupting the ratio of omega-3s to omega-6. My stance on this is that it is a band-aid solution to a bigger problem. I think it could be a short-term solution for now, but it doesn't solve the problem long-term. The Aqua Advantage salmon are designed to fit into industrial systems, which are a huge part of climate change, and it's not a replacement for an ecologically regenerative food system that supports food sovereignty and the health of the environment. And these are my sources. Thank you.